the new year won't stop me from unboxing something new from Revlon. I'm done with this look and I can't call this simple kasi parang ilan yung ginamit ko. Parang a lot. I was just inspired to use all these shades right in front of me, but I will tell you my initial thoughts on the Velour and what's the other one? Glaze. So there's Glaze and Velour. Velour is like semi or demi matte, while Glaze is something shimmery but not too sparkly. For all the shades of Glaze, they are easier to use for first-time user kasi they are frosted, so it easily blurs out. You won't see much of a fine lines or mga obvious demarcation. While the Velour, or they're not totally matte, all these two glides on super easily. Yung texture nila sobrang easy i-blend. So I tried using the sponge tip, but I prefer using my fingers kasi mas easier, and the warmth of my fingers makes it even more easier to really blend out all the shades. Pero you can use it if you want something more defined. But overall, fingers are okay. But the texture super smooth, highly pigmented. So ang gaganda ng mga shade choices nila, and I like that I can mix and match both type of texture and they blend in perfectly. But you don't have to use two textures. You can use two similar or three similar textures. They all would work. But I like having a variation of textures. Parang may konting blurry and may konting really a little bit obvious, parang defined. So yun, perfect combo. Why would people use pencil if you can use powder? As you can see the difference, it's highly pigmented, it stays, and it felt easier to control powder, but if you get the hang of it, it's easier actually to control your eyeshadow using cream-based products like this, and it sets like a powder afterwards, so you don't have to worry. Wala siyang oily feel, and I did not even set it with powder. Okay siya. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my super quick makeover. I'll finish this up and show you the photo on IG post soon. See ya!
I love is growing cold. You're leaving out the door and say I don't know when I'll be home. Like needles in my heart, it's tearing me apart. Just trying to find a light in the dark. I know that you're afraid, believe me when I say it's alright, we'll get by. Our colors fade away, I hope it's just a phase. I tell myself that we'll be okay. So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Put your hands into mine, wanna feel you close. So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Got our souls intertwined, I'm not letting go.
Even set it with powder. Okay siya. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my super quick makeover. I'll finish this up and show you the photo on IG post soon. See ya!